Hey guys, welcome back to TATnique. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the KEURIG machine, the K Mini. It's a mini KEURIG. Can you guys see? And I'm going to show you guys how to use it and everything. So we're going to unbox it now. I'm going to open it up. We got it out the box. Let me put this right here. Okay. So it comes in this cardboard thing. You open it. It says, "Thank you for choosing KEURIG," with some instructions. And then, no, the instructions are in here, and this is just like a thank you card. So let me see what the instructions say. Let me show you the instructions. These are all the instructions. But before we get started, let's open it up. So this is a pink KEURIG. Look at the KEURIG. It has K up there. This is the back and the sides. So what you do is you can pull this cord to make it longer, and then when you're like done with it, you just push it back in like this all the way. But I'm going to plug it up. So this is how far it goes. So it's not that long. Okay, everyone. So the first step is to do the cleansing process, which means I have to fill it up with 8 ounces of water. And then, so I have a cup right here. It says love, laughter, and from friends. This cup. So I'm going to put it at the bottom. Can you guys see it? Oh, the KEURIG is right here. Maybe I should move it a little closer. Can you guys see? Okay. So I feel like I should zoom up a little. So the KEURIG is right here, and as I said, we have to cleanse it. So the first step is cleansing the machine, which means we pour 8 ounces of water. So let me make sure it's on. Okay, I clicked the on button at the top. There's this button right here, and I clicked it, so now it's on. Then I open this to cleanse it, and we are going to pour 8 ounces of water. I don't know if you guys could see, but at the sides there are measurements, the max and then the min. So I'm going to fill it up at 8 ounces right there. Okay, so as I mentioned, oh, focus. What's going on? Okay, so I'm going to fill it up to the 8 ounce mark. So fill it up. And you want to make sure your KEURIG machine is on. When it's on, you see the light next to the power button. Make sure your cup is at the bottom. We're going to close this, and we are going to open this. Don't insert your K-cup in here. Just open it and then close it. And you're going to see there's a light. There's a light at the top, and it's blinking. So you're just going to click this gray thing. This gray K. Can you guys see it? So when this is blinking, that's when you know you're ready to brew. So you click this. And you're going to hear a noise. and it should take about 2 minutes. Once you click the gray button at the top, you don't have to click it again. You only have to click it one time and you're done. So we're gonna wait for that to finish up. So we wait like 2 minutes. I do have some hot cocoa K-cups that I'm gonna try after, but yeah, it's my favorite hot chocolate. Well, I feel like the one from McDonald's is a little bit better, maybe because more sweeter, but yeah. Anyways, so I put 8 ounces in here. Can y'all see the water? Okay, that's all done. So that took about like 2 minutes, right? Yeah, it took about, it didn't seem like it was that long, but it probably took about like 1 minute. But I'm just gonna say 2 minutes because that's what the instructions said. It took 2 minutes, so we'll say that. But so now we're actually gonna make some hot chocolate in here. So I'm gonna go wash out my mug. Oh, this water is super hot. So I'm gonna go wash out this mug and bring it back. So give me 1 second. Okay, everyone, so I'm back. I washed my mug out. Put it right there. And now I'm actually gonna make some hot chocolate. I'm gonna do 8 ounces of hot chocolate. Okay, so this is the hot cocoa I have. I got it from Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts. Hot cocoa. So first I have to pour the water in, and I think I'm gonna do about 8 cups again. Not 8 cups, 8 ounces, because that was enough. Probably a little bit over 8. Yeah, like a little bit over 8. You can put the desired amount that you want. The max is 12 ounces and the min is 6 ounces. So you decide how much water you want. Then we are going to take a K-cup. This has the powder in it. So we close this. We open this. And this is where we put the K-cup. I don't think I showed you how it looked in there, but this is how it looked in here. And basically, you put your K-cup in there. I like it to be straight, even though it don't matter. And we close it. Then you see that this is blinking, so you click this button, and the water is gonna go down at the side. You can see it's going down. And basically, I know I said I think it didn't take more than 2 minutes, but I think I actually do take 2 minutes because it's actually pretty long. But so we gotta wait 2 minutes and make sure your cup is at the bottom. Before y'all do anything, make sure y'all put the cup at the bottom, because if y'all forget and this thing just started draining, it's not gonna be it. So make sure you guys put a cup at the bottom. I actually tried this machine before, and I don't recommend putting it at 12 ounces, which is the max, just because your coffee, hot chocolate, whatever you're making, is gonna taste like water. Like, it'll taste watered down. Unless you want it watered down, then go ahead. But I don't recommend filling it up so high. Y'all see all that extra water that's coming out at the end? I don't know if you guys seen that, but at the end there was like a whole bunch of extra water like coming out. That's why I don't recommend putting a lot of water, because there's always a lot of water. So now the hot chocolate is all done. Perfect time to take a thumbnail. So that's what you're gonna do. This is too hot. This is too hot. Okay. Ready. But anyways, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn the bell to get notified anytime when I post a video. See ya in the next one.